What is going on, crypto enthusiasts? It's your boy Whiteboard Invest back with another exciting crypto update for you today. We've got a lot to cover, so buckle up and get ready for a wild ride. Today we're going to be talking about all the latest happenings in the cryptoverse, including Donald Trump continues to woo voters with pro-crypto statements, BTC price back above 69 KOs, spot Bitcoin ETFs, see straight 9 days of inflows, unresolved issues of the FIT21 crypto regulation bill, Uniswap to vote on uni holder fee proposal on May 31st. Bitcoin whales buy $134 billion in BTC in one day. Before we dive into all that juicy news, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. It helps me out a ton and lets me know you're interested in the content I create. Donald Trump has promised that if he wins the presidency, he'll make sure the U.S. stays on top of the cryptocurrency industry. Ahead of a big speech at the National Conference of the Libertarian Party, Trump posted on his Truth Social network, showing strong support for crypto. He wrote, "I'm very positive and open towards crypto companies and everything related to this booming sector. Our country must stay in the lead. We won't accept second place. Unlike Joe Biden, the worst president in American history, who wants this industry to wither away. That won't happen if I'm in charge." This is a big shift for Trump, who criticized Bitcoin and praised the US dollar during his presidency from 2017 to 2021. But after experimenting with NFTs on Ethereum and Bitcoin, he's changed his tune. Recently, at a meeting with NFT holders, Trump said he's open to accepting campaign donations in crypto and vowed to keep crypto companies in the U.S. if elected. True to his word, he announced his campaign will accept donations in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu. According to Arkham, Trump's wallet holds $6.4 million in crypto, making him the most famous crypto holder. In his speech at the Libertarian Conference, Trump promised to pardon Ross Ulbricht, the Silk Road founder, on his first day in office. Silk Road was a marketplace using Bitcoin that got shut down for illegal activities, and Ulbricht is serving a double life sentence, which many in the crypto community feel is too harsh. Trump said, "If you elect me, I'll pardon Ross Ulbricht. He's been in prison for 11 years. It's time for him to go home." Trump also slammed Biden's anti-crypto stance and pledged to block the Federal Reserve from creating a central bank digital currency, CBDC. "We'll end Joe Biden's war on crypto," Trump stated. "I'll ensure the future of crypto and Bitcoin is built in America, not pushed overseas. I'll protect your right to store your assets. To the 50 million Americans using crypto, I'll keep Elizabeth Warren away from your Bitcoin. And I'll never allow the U.S. central bank to issue its own digital currency." Trump's made crypto a key issue in his campaign, a smart move given the Biden administration's crackdown on crypto, which has hurt companies and investors. Some analysts think Trump's pro-crypto stance has pushed the White House to reconsider, leading to the SEC's approval of Ethereum spot ETFs. The value of the MAGA, Trump meme coin, jumped 25% after Trump's positive comments about crypto. On Polymarket, Trump is favored by the crypto community, with 56% support compared to Biden's 38%. However, not all voters are on board. At the Libertarian Conference, some audience members booed Trump, showing lingering dissatisfaction with his COVID-19 response. Before we dive into today's next market-breaking news, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to fuel us up for even hotter content than ever. Hey guys, let's talk about Bitcoin. Today we're taking a look at the price of Bitcoin. As of right now, May 26, 2024, Bitcoin is trading at around $69,000. This is up from $68,000 yesterday, which is an increase of about 1.5%. So what's going on? Well, it's difficult to say for sure what's causing the price to rise today. However, there are a few possible explanations. First, it's possible that the market is reacting positively to the recent news that the SEC is considering approving a Bitcoin spot ETF. Second, it's also possible that investors are simply buying Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. It's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is very volatile, and prices can go up and down quickly. So, if you're thinking about investing in Bitcoin, it's important to do your own research and understand the risks involved. This is not financial advice, of course. I'll keep you updated on the price of Bitcoin in the coming days and weeks. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more crypto news and analysis. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs are on fire, with a hot streak that continued on Thursday, pulling in $107.91 million in inflows for the 9th consecutive day of gains. This marks the longest run of inflows since mid-March, when the products enjoyed 10 straight days of positive movement. The excitement around these spot Bitcoin ETFs is undeniable since their launch earlier this year. The SEC greenlit the first of these ETFs in January, and big names like BlackRock and Fidelity quickly jumped in, amassing billions in assets in no time. For example, BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, led the charge on Thursday, raking in $89 million. Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Trust, FBTC, wasn't far behind, pulling in $19 million, followed by VanEck Fund, which saw $9.5 million in inflows. Interestingly, while these new ETFs are thriving, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, saw a $14 million outflow, continuing its losing streak as investors flock to the newer spot ETFs that come with lower fees. BlackRock is actually set to take over GBTC management, and its IBIT has quickly become the frontrunner among spot Bitcoin ETFs. In just 4 months, IBIT has nearly hit $20 billion in assets, a milestone that usually takes years for most ETFs. It's now only $300 million behind GBTC in total inflows, poised to become the biggest spot Bitcoin ETF soon. On the international front, this week also saw the UK approve Bitcoin ETPs to be listed in London, further cementing Bitcoin's status as an institutional asset class. With this kind of momentum, Bitcoin could end May on a high note, buoyed by increasing institutional acceptance and robust investment inflows. So, with the growing appetite for these ETFs and major players like BlackRock and Fidelity leading the pack, it's clear that Bitcoin is solidifying its place in the mainstream financial landscape. Investors are eager, and the market is responding, setting the stage for what could be an exciting future for Bitcoin and its supporters. The FIT21 Act, which aims to clarify crypto regulations, could cause some major headaches due to the overlapping roles of the CFTC and SEC. This overlap might create compliance challenges, split the market, and stunt crypto's long-term growth. In the U.S. FIT21, passed by the U.S. House on May 23rd, comes from debates on applying securities laws to crypto. SEC Chair Gary Gensler insists only Bitcoin isn't a security. However, the SEC just approved Ethereum spot ETFs, calling them commodity-based, which challenges their previous stance on ETH. The Act classifies digital assets into restricted digital assets under SEC and digital commodities under CFTC. A project's tokens get classified based on decentralization at the Token Generation Event, TGE. If decentralized, it's a commodity for CFTC. If not, it's a restricted asset for SEC. Decentralization is judged on control, ownership, code modification, promotion, and asset distribution. FIT21 also splits token holders into restricted market participants, like issuers and major holders, and non-restricted market participants, like airdrop recipients and exchange buyers. This setup could lead to a divided U.S.-only crypto market. The SEC and CFTC overlap might consolidate crypto regulation under the CFTC eventually. Legal loopholes could emerge, making it easy to skirt laws. The market might become unbalanced and volatile, with potential for price manipulation. Retail investors could face liquidity issues and misaligned asset values. While FIT21 aims to tackle regulatory issues, it has mixed reactions and opposition from the Biden administration and SEC's Gensler. Lawmakers need to tweak the bill to ensure a clear, unified regulatory framework that protects consumers and supports market stability. After a long silence, Uniswap has finally confirmed an official vote on the proposal to share transaction fees with UNI token holders. Early on May 25th, Uniswap Foundation announced this update, marking a significant step forward for the platform and its community. Back in February, Uniswap first proposed the idea of fee sharing, which caused Uni token prices to soar by 80% within hours. The preliminary vote in March saw overwhelming support, but progress stalled when Uniswap Labs received a warning from the SEC, accusing them of trading unregistered securities, a claim Uniswap disputed. Things changed when the SEC approved Ethereum spot ETFs and acknowledged ETH as a commodity, allowing Uniswap to resume the proposal process. Now, the official vote is set for May 31st, and Uni holders need to delegate their tokens beforehand to participate. This vote will not only address fee sharing, but also other upgrades like automated fee collection and distribution. However, the actual start date for fee sharing will be decided in a future vote. The announcement has already boosted Uni prices by over 15%. This move shows Uniswap's commitment to adding value for its community and maintaining its leadership in the decentralized exchange space. In a recent update on the X platform, crypto expert Ali Martinez spilled the beans about some serious shopping sprees happening among the big fish in the Bitcoin pond. These big players, known as whales, have been flexing their wallets, snapping up loads of Bitcoin lately. We're talking about those who hold anywhere from 1,000 to 10,000 BTC, which is no small change, let me tell you. Now, according to the sleuths at Santiment, who keep tabs on these whale activities through something called the balance of whales, these big hitters have gone on a Bitcoin buying bonanza. In just the past day, they've scooped up over 20,000 BTC. That's like pocket change for them, right? And get this, it's worth a jaw-dropping $1.34 billion. Wrap your head around that for a second. So where's all this cash splashing happening? Well, it's swelling the coffers of these whales to a total of almost 5 million BTC. Yep, you heard that right. Now, what makes this shopping spree particularly interesting is the timing. You see, it all went down right after Bitcoin's price took a bit of a nosedive, dropping back to $67,000. But these whales aren't sweating it. They're doing what they do best, buying the dip. And here's the kicker. This shopping spree might just be a sign of what's to come in the Bitcoin world. It's like these whales are dropping hints about where they think Bitcoin's price is headed next. And when whales speak, people listen. Their moves in the market can send ripples through the whole crypto scene. So investors are on high alert, watching for any further whale movements that could give clues about the future of Bitcoin's price. Now let's talk implications. When whales start throwing around billions in Bitcoin, it's bound to shake things up. Their actions can sway the market like nobody else's. And with a move this big, it's got folks thinking that maybe, just maybe, Bitcoin's in for a bullish ride. But hey, it's all speculation until we see how the market reacts. So, grab your popcorn and keep your eyes peeled for the next big whale move. It could be a wild ride ahead.
Alright, that's hottest news today. If you guys did find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe our channel for more free content. Thanks for watching. Peace out.